Hey everyone, welcome back. If you forgot your NAB app password, first open the NAB app, tap on the login option, then click on the forgot password option. After that, what you're going to do is enter your NAB ID. After that, enter your date of birth, then click next. After you enter your NAB ID and date of birth, you will receive a code sent by SMS or email. Check your SMS next and check your Gmail. If you do not see the code in your primary section, click on the three-line option in the top right corner and make sure to check your trash and spam folder as well. Next, you're going to create a password that meets the NAB security requirements. Make sure that your password is 8 to 10 digits and make sure that it is unique and different from your older password and easy to remember as well. Then confirm the password and save your changes. Then log in again using your new password, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.